Hi everyone. This is Krishnagar, your techie friend. Welcome to this tutorial on how to get all the Wi-Fi passwords through Nirsoft.net. If you have forgotten the Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows computer or just want to retrieve them, Nirsoft's WirelessKeyView utility can be a helpful tool. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the WirelessKeyView utility. First, you need to download the WirelessKeyView utility from the Nirsoft website. You can find the link to the website in the video description below. Open Google Chrome and type the website name. Scroll down and click on WirelessKeyView link. Once you're on the website, scroll down to the Wireless Network Utilities section and click on the download link for the appropriate version of the utility for your computer. Step 2. Extract the downloaded file after the download is complete. Extract the contents of the zip file to a folder on your computer. It will prompt for the password to run the exe file. Copy the code from the website and run this application. Step 3. Run the WirelessKeyView utility. Open the folder where you extracted the files and double-click on wirelesskeyview.exe to launch the utility. Step 4. Retrieve the Wi-Fi passwords. The WirelessKeyView utility will display a list of all the Wi-Fi networks that have been saved on your computer, along with their corresponding passwords. You can sort the list by clicking on the column headers or use the search box to find a specific network. That's it. You have successfully retrieved all the Wi-Fi passwords through Nirsoft.net. Please remember that retrieving passwords without authorization can be illegal or unethical, so use this tool responsibly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.